channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about math. So guys, today we are going to discuss K method. What is a K method? I'm going to tell you. Question is A ratio B is equals to C ratio D. To prove 4A minus 9B equals to 4 C minus 9B divided by 4A plus 9B equals to 4C plus 9B. What you're going to do? I know that if you just see this equation, you will see that you know that A ratio B proportion C ratio D. I know you have the concept. This was a concept for the first exercise. You're going to use it. How you're going to use it? Let's see. You can write it A divided by B equals to C divided by D is equals to constant. Why is it we are putting the K? I will tell you. You know that when you write like this BC and AD, what is this? You have A ratio B equal to C ratio D. So if you're having 3 here, 4 here, 2 here and 6 here. So when you're going to multiply both these, so 12 is equals to 12. These are same. Or we can write it constant. Same constant can be represented by this K. Okay, you should know that how this K is coming. Fine. So now you can write it like this, that this is K. So A over B equals to K and C over D equals to K, like this. You can write. Then A is equals to BK, C is equals to DK. These are your constant values that you are going to put in the places of A and C. Now let's start. 4A is BK minus 9B divided by 4BK plus 9B, like this. Then 4BK minus 9D divided by 4DK minus 9D. What you're going to do is you will multiply this 4BK minus 9B divided by 4BK plus 9D, 4DK minus 9D divided by 4DK minus 9D. What you're going to do? Just say this, very simple. We're going to take common. Common would be, what can be the common? It can be B common. And what the common be? So when you're going to take common, so you know what will happen. So this is all a question all about this, and you're going to solve the question. In this question you will find very different things. You will see that. So now taking the common, B common. B common, you will get 4K minus 9B minus 9 divided by B common 4K plus 9. Here also 4 common, so here would be the common would be D. D common 4K minus D minus 9, sorry, and divided by D is equals to 4K plus 9. So what you're going to do, B and cancel, DD cancel, you will get 4K minus 9, 4K plus 9, 4K minus 9, 4K plus 9. In this way, you can conclude your answer that 4K minus 9 and 4K plus 9 divided by both these factors. You will, what you're going to do is that both the equations are same. So hence prove that when both are equations, sorry, this is 4K. Both equations can be same, so it can be equals to A divided by B is equals to C divided by D. K constant. So this we have to prove. So you write hence proved, comma, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So for this purpose, now let's solve the second part. In the second part, what they are saying, the same, these values are. Now proceed the question number 2. 6A minus 5B, 6A plus 5B equals to 6C minus 5D, and that is 5d, and this is also 5d. Now what you're going to do, you're going to use the K method. This question also, for the K method, that was the question phenomena that I told you in the first part, but in the second part I can tell you another method that is very simple. Just solving the left hand side once and then the right hand side. Okay, so now let's start. You can also take left hand side 6a minus 5b divided by 6a plus 5b. So now you know that AB equals to A is equals to BK. I think one more thing, if you know you're putting some formula, some these values or quadratic equations or whatever you're putting, you may write it. So it may give a good impression to examiner and include lines also. And you, when you're writing the formulas and these things, you have a practice also and you have learned. So now you're putting the values 6bk minus 5b, 6bk plus 5b, like this. So now you can write here 6bk minus 5b, 6bk plus 5b. So 6, you can take common b, 6k minus 5b divided by 6k minus 5, yes. So b common is also 6k plus 5. b we cancel. Answer is 6k minus 5 divided by 6k plus 5. Now we are going to taking left hand side. We have solved the right hand side. Taking the right hand side. Right hand side is 6c minus 5d divided by 6c plus 5d. Portion is c is equals to dk. You know this? I hope so. C is equals to dk, placing the values that are 6 dk. You can write simple also because nothing adds, so you can write it 6 dk minus 5d equal 6 dk plus 5 dk 5d. So d is common here, so remaining is 6k minus 5 divided by d common 6k plus 5, d cancel, 6k minus 5 divided by 6k plus 5. So this is equal to this answer. So you can write, hence proof left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this is the method to solve the question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about math.